Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be changing Swaybar links. Well, I suppose I could do some maintenance.
Just stickers.
Stickers. Well, maybe, just maybe, the Rock Auto people have sent you a magnet.
Ah!
There's a chance it may have fallen out because the box has been destroyed. Freaking UPS. You can almost play a song on the box. Look, let's see if we can play a song on the box. Get yourself a box of parts. You might want a grinder on standby. A zip disc definitely helps. You're going to want a 15mm box wrench. And you know what? If you've got a toolkit, use that. Right, so you've got a front sway bar link. Sparks don't have rear sway bars. Don't worry about it. You've got a external hex fastener here, the nut, and you've got an internal hex here, and the size of that internal hex is flashing on your screen right now. Got it? Good. You've got to repeat that exact same process here, down here as well, on the back side of the sway bar. You'll have to do a little bit of contorting for that. The part number for both left and right, they're exactly the same. Exact same part. Sometimes it's required to get your stunt double fingers in there. Can I get a hoya? Hoya? Tova e bukluk. Tova e not bukluk. Ne se pretensniave. Right, so GM being GM, you gotta reuse your nuts, man. Not just any nuts, but these nuts. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Torque to spec. This car, technically being a Daewoo product, is made in Korea. It's evident by the construction of this gosh darn thing. Made for little Asian fingers, not these frickin' North American meat hooks. Rawr. Right, so if you're so fortunate like I, you have got a stunt double. How you doing?
How you doing?
And you copy paste to this side too. Any questions, Mr. Stuntman? No. Welcome to the end of the video. If you've made it this far, perhaps I've earned your subscription. If not, let me know in the comments down below. If nothing else, thanks for watching and have a good day.
Serenity now!